So your closet is overflowing with clothes, but you are having meltdowns every single time you have to dress up? Then hop on this train because I am on the quest to revamp my style and share my findings along the way. If you are interested in something like that, welcome aboard. My name is Arpita and let's dive into the video. I know the amount of pain and frustration you go through every single time you have to head out and you need to get dressed as quickly as possible, but either nothing seems to go well together or it is not in the best condition. And trust me, it gives me mood swings. You often think that you need to buy more clothes because nothing is ready to be worn, but more often than not, it's the case that these small things that I'm going to mention in the video are keeping you from enjoying what you already have. So this is going to be a two-part series, and in the first part I'll talk about these small things that are spoiling your outfits and giving you stress every single time you have to dress up and how you can eliminate those things. And in the second part I'll talk about this one mobile application that has helped me understand my wardrobe and utilize it more, and it has also helped me understand what is missing in my closet and what is just taking space. So if you want to have one less reason to stress in your life, keep on watching. So let's start this video with our first culprit, which is loose threads. It is a very small thing, but it is definitely something that screams unfinished or poorly made garment. Though you don't have to wear expensive designer clothes to look stylish, but wearing clothes that are poorly made or not finished properly definitely takes away from your style, creativity and confidence. And it can also cause some wardrobe malfunction if you accidentally pull out the seam. Save yourself from such embarrassment and just take the scissor and snip out the loose threads. I have started doing this and it definitely makes me feel more confident and stylish knowing that my outfit doesn't look poorly made. So our culprit number 2 is fuzz balls. So when you bought that jacket or hoodie or that cottony summery dress, you probably thought this is going to be my go-to outfit when I'm in a rush. After a few wash, that cloth started getting small bubbles, or if you can say ball-like things. You don't know where it came from and probably you don't think it is a big deal. But trust me, it makes your outfit look very dull and old and very worn out. So I picked up this trick on internet and it's been working really great for me. All you have to do is get a razor or a tool like this, which costs under $5 on Temu or AliExpress. You can also find something similar on Amazon. It's pretty much available everywhere, and all you have to do is just rub it against the problem area and it will clear out all the fuzz and your clothes will look smooth, polished and just like new, and the results are visible. Before we hop on to the next point, just a quick reminder that your likes or subscribes are not just numbers for me, but it's a signal that you are learning and you are enjoying what I'm creating. So if you are getting some value out of this, hit the like button and I'll be notified that you are enjoying. So let's get to the next point. Culprit number 3 is lint and dust. Imagine this. You have to get dressed for a party, or you are getting late for office, or you just want to head out for some quick errands. 8 out of 10 times you'll take a piece that is in black color. It could be a little black dress or black pants or maybe black t-shirt that you are very fond of, because black makes you look stylish, slim and effortlessly chic. But because of the lint and dust, it just takes away all the power that it has. As you are ready to head out, you realize that your dress is covered in lint and dust, and the same outfit that was supposed to be your saving grace is now giving you a panic attack. Been there many times. And the easiest solution to that is get a lint roller. It may sound very obvious, but if it does sound obvious to you, then congratulations, you are a little ahead on your styling game. But if you have not heard of it, or if you haven't started using it, I would highly recommend investing your $5-10 in a lint roller, and it will be a game changer for you. It is easy to use and easy to carry in your purse or in your car, so you can have a quick touch up whenever needed. Culprit number 4, and that is wrinkles. I could avoid a lot of last-minute meltdowns if my clothes aren't wrinkled, especially silk, satin and all those delicate fabrics. I hate ironing, so I usually hang my clothes in the bathroom whenever I'm taking showers. But it would be foolish to take showers every single time I have to iron my clothes. And sometimes you need solutions on the go. And to save you from that misery of wearing wrinkled clothes, I present to you the savior of fabrics, the messiah of wardrobe, and the hero to every lazy fashionista. Wrinkle Releaser. Trust me when I say this, but this is going to change the game for you. This is a magical tool. It works on pretty much all type of fabrics, especially the delicate ones. But I would highly recommend doing a patch test because it does leave a stain on some fabrics, not all of them. I have never faced this issue, but I would advise you to be cautious because you don't want to spoil your outfits. It is so easy, even a kid can do it. All you need to do is take the bottle, spray it on your clothes and just rub it and make it flat, and within no time it will remove all the wrinkles. Isn't that magic? So I highly recommend investing in this wrinkle releaser. It is easily available, easy to travel. You don't have to carry iron or steamer when you are traveling. So yeah, this is a great tool. So yeah, that is it for today, and I'll see you in the part 2 where we'll be talking about this one application that will help you be very strategic and conscious about your closet and what you need to have in your closet and what are the things that are just occupying space but not serving you in any way. So yes, I'm really excited to talk about it because I have been using it for some time and it has been really helpful. So yeah, see you in part 2.